This card is very this thing nice, huh? Lots of style tips everywhere. Pretty nice handle is there. It's very crank and all. Very good. I'm a very big India's man. I'm a very big India's man. India's man and India's man. Same things. Very good. I'm coming to the US for business. Lots and lots of lakhs are there. I must take it all off. I must take all of the money from America. American dollars. I'll go back. Very this thing. Big fellow. My driver is being this thing. She's very. She's not giving us. As for one beer, she's not giving. I don't know what the problem. But I'll have to this thing will be not nice. Hey driver, get us one beer to short for the business meeting. Everyone will give nicely. I'll take it off and get the American dollars. Hey driver, take it to the bar, very thirst. The throat is thirst. Hey, bugger, don't talk about that. Loud like a ball.
Yeah, you should brush your teeth too.
Hey, I got the lungi, huh? New lungi is there. No, don't touch the dial. The lungi is very style from my country. It is a skirt here. Here it's called lungi. Very nice. Most people will say the Chintu Valas will wear. No, very good businessman will wear. It gives very space for your nuts and all. It's free space. They're completely roaming around. I don't know where they went. Last night they were in the party. I don't know. I said, hey, where have you gone? They're gone. Very roaming they are. Very nice. But maybe I'm thinking of a little ganja before the business meeting. She's making me go so fast on the road. I said, what ma? 70, 120 kilometers per hour? What is that? It is blasting the speed limit. Blasting it. Why must she go so fast? She cannot slow it. Little bit speed is too much. I may die. Dead. I'm dead, and what will happen then? At least give me the beer, I will calm the nervous. Too much nervous. Let me calm this stress. Don't drink it the beer, Just pull off one side, we'll go have the beer.
Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna happen.
Hey, Ma, please! I'm very thirsty.
Beg all you want. We've got plenty of water here for you, buddy.
She will not give me the... Too much.
Look,
the ghost is there. Look at the ghost is in the sky.
We cannot
Too
make
much
a
ghost.
stop.
Where is she taking me?
We cannot make a
I
stop.
don't know.
We cannot make a stop.
She's got one SPG there. Taking the roads we don't know. What is the SPG? There's one airplane flying in the sky also. What? What are they doing, What kind of driver is America? I don't know this country.
Look.
Last time coming.
You don't know this country, so that's why you shouldn't be talking all your smack back there, telling me that you want to drink a beer.
Hey, you won't give me a drink, My country, you'll get a drink.
Yeah, you
Only
know what?
drink.
This is not your country,
My
buddy.
country, you'll get
Listen
nice
here.
drinks.
Listen here. If you like your country so much, just go back home. Yeah, go back to your country.
We've got Kingfisher. We got Budweiser.
Look, we don't want to know what kind of beer you have in your country.
We got Land Shark.
Yeah.
Very good
You know
beer.
what? You know what?
Got
We
the
don't
Kelowna,
care.
the
We
Carolina, or the Corona. That is very good as well.
Yeah, guess what, buddy? We don't care. We don't care about your country. We don't care about what kind of drinks you have.
Hey, Ma, don't talk to a man, My stature is not good.
Yeah, well, guess what?
Something bad will happen
guess
now.
what? Welcome to America.
Something bad will
Welcome
happen.
to
She'll get daba. It will not be good. Cha. Hey, Ma, you driver only. Now drive. Do not speak educated conversation. My English is best. It is as of Harvard graduate. Pretty good. So do not talk, huh? Too much you're talking.
Yeah, you know
Debar,
what?
debar,
How about this?
soon.
How about this? This is
Pretty bad
my
thing
car.
will happen now.
This is my car. This is my country. And you're coming over here talking trash and saying that you want to drink a beer in my car when that's illegal. I will not stand
Hey
by that.
ma, what will the cops do? Will give up 5-10 rupees, they will go. Maybe police escort or
you
something will
get-
get also.
You will get put in jail.
You're
for
talking
that.
breaking law, huh? Laws are being broken, huh? What about 120 km per hour? What is that?
In America,
Too much the speed.
the speed limit says
What
that.
is that?
In fact,
I have no dosa this morning. How can I handle an accident?
Look at that, look at that, look at that. I'm going below the speed limit.
This big purple line and the snake is everywhere. Maybe there is a temple nearby. We can do some puja.
Yeah,
Save
you know
our
what,
souls.
buddy? This is America.
Spirit
this
is
is
not there.
America. You can calm yourself down. You see I have an American flag here, don't you?
Hey.
You see, do I have your country's flag in my car? Do I have your country's flag in my car? Do I look I will stop this car and let you out on the side of the road.
Yes, sir. What she's doing? She's own driver. Acting like she's Harvard graduate. I am only the graduate, huh? Something like that. I've
Yeah,
done.
really.
Very big educations and all I've studied. Books are this big. Very English.
Was it
Lots.
plural or what?
Very,
Was it
very
singular?
Englishes. Englishes I've been studying.
Maybe you should study that book one more
I don't know
time.
why she's going off and telling me these things, huh? I'm very big guy in my country.
Yeah, in your
All this
country.
monies
This
and
is
all come
America.
very easily.
This is America, buddy.
I've gone and
Welcome.
taken all the money
Welcome
from the
to the
country.
land of freedom.
America, I'm taking dollars now. All dollars are coming from America.
Buddy, you should not be talking that kind of
They're
propaganda in
wondering
my car.
the debt, huh? What is the debt? All the millions and trillions and lakhs, huh? Where is it gone? Into my pocket, because I've been taking the debt. It's all mine now. Soon I will own America, so I will soon own you as well.
Really?
England.
I'll put you in one uniform, huh? It's one sari. Better than your chusha. It's not good. Very not good.
Any last words? Any last words?
No, there is no last word. I have too many words. So many. Maybe there is one temple we can stop by to do the one puja and all.
Yeah,
We should all do puja.
That's not gonna happen. No, not my
We should
car.
all do
No,
puja
no.
before the meeting. It
No,
is
no,
too
no,
much.
that's not gonna happen in
Too
my
much
car.
stress
Not in my
is
car,
there.
not in my country.
We
buddy.
must
Ah.
do the puja or very gods will look bad.
Yeah, you know
They
what?
will think
You
bad
all-
things of
you
us.
all- yeah, you
We can also pray to God if you wish. You can say one prayer to him as well. But
Only
Ganesha needs the prayers. You have some bananas and food maybe? What we'll give to him and all? Some good puja.
You're really crazy for a reason.
Because some of the puja bindi is there. We'll put
Don't
it
touch me. Don't
Well,
touch me. Don't touch me. This
three
is
finger for the
Don't-
smear. But they also for the bindi.
you cannot. I
And
can-
also here we'll put one flick.
Don't
Nice,
touch me.
very pretty for
Touch me,
girls.
boy.
Very style now.
Maybe style in your country, but it's not a style in my country.
You know, Baja, you've got very one big
I
thing.
have a name, man. Why do you keep
Hey,
calling me? You
yeah,
called me four
Baba.
different names in this whole.
What is she saying? I don't know. Very violence.
I thought
Putting
you were.
shoot kanchili, ah.
I thought you were a Harvard graduate.
Hey, loud
I
it.
thought you were a Harvard.
Very garbage she's speaking. Why must she trouble me?
Let's see. She's putting snake on SPG. We should go
She
to
has
puja.
one SPG.
We'll do puja.
And she's driving everywhere. Because our roaming. We're not going to business meeting.
No, she is taking us to
What is Back's Beach?
what is Bax Beach?
What is Back's
Is it like a Backstreet Boys very good song? they
Oh,
make?
Jack's Beaches.
Oh, Jack's
She's taking
Beaches.
us to the club, huh?
Oh,
Very good, huh?
Very
sorry.
good, huh?
I'm very sorry. I thought you were a bad one. You're very good. We'll go and have drinks at the club, huh? Full of bitches and all. It will be good, huh? Be somewhat good, huh?
You know what? No, I think maybe I should just let you out here.
White American girls are there.
Oh,
Mm.
big boobs in our law.
Oh, big boobies. They'll have sex all the time. I heard this thing. And the movies, they have now.